Alright y'all, we back with this 1996 Chevy Impala SS. We already did a full review on this one with another set of wheels. We threw on a set of 22-inch Culture Classics. We're going to do a quick walk around and start up of her. I'm going to put the link of the other video in the description if y'all want to go check out the full review. She has a little over 27,000 miles. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is nice and clean. B-body guys, this the one for real. Check out that interior. And then we'll do a startup on her. You know, she has all the options: power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console with floor mounted shifter. Headliner. Check out how clean that engine bay is. That's the LT1 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. We're gonna start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go check out the full review. The link is in the description. As y'all can see, she reached a little over 27,000. Make sure y'all go check her out at rollingmuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos on her. That's what we call running like a sewing machine. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.